Hi, I'm Marna, and more I'm collecting Barbies. Okay, I'm falling down the Barbie hole, which is like the rabbit hole with Alice in Wonderland, but I'm scraping my way down, trying not to buy everything. So Friday is our date day, my husband and I, and he spoils me absolutely rotten. When we go in the antique malls or garage sales or Walmart, he's putting dolls in the cart because I looked at them and put them back, and he gets them. Are you sure you don't want this? He's wonderful that way. He's also my cameraman, my editor, and well, I am not technically sound. He does it all. Anyway, I thought you might like to see our haul and the fun that we had last Friday. I not only collect Barbies, I love Monster High. And I got into Monster High because our house is decorated in bicycles, and the first Monster High I bought, and it's still in the box, is on a bicycle. So when we saw this for only $10, it was like, oh gosh, that would be cute standing next to our little girl on the bicycle come Halloween. At the same antique mall, I picked this up and sat it down like 3 times. This is the 50th anniversary Barbie, and I went back for her because I knew if I didn't get her, it would be one of those, oh, I hope somebody doesn't get her before we go back, and then we'd have to drive, and because the antique malls are not just down the street here. And at the same antique mall, oh gosh, look at this girl. She is, I think it's a 66 Barbie doll. Cute, cute, cute. Bendable, clickable legs. Don't we all love those? I mean, just fun. But she has a really pretty face. I like the old Barbies with the Barbie shape. She's got that hourglass shape going on like Barbie should be. And one more. I don't even know the name of this doll. It's a Mattel. I do know that. I haven't looked it up yet, but what I liked was all the articulation, because I've got a little setup I want to do for her. I've said before, I bring dolls out and they are part of my decor for holidays and events and stuff. So she's got a little job coming up, and she's really going to be cute. At the same antique mall, they had this. It is the 18-inch, some people call it 19-inch Barbie. This one is really rare. Now, she doesn't have her string anymore, but you can see the little hole. She was the grow hair Barbie doll. And through my research, I could only find one other on eBay. So I went back and I looked at it again, and I walked away, and I thought, you know, she's $12.50. I may not know anything about it. Oh my goodness, there's so much to know in the Barbie field. I'll never catch up. But I thought, you know, it's Mattel, and I forget the date on it, but oh my goodness, it's an old Barbie, grow hair, something different. So she didn't have any clothes, and I had bought this dress. It's for an 18-inch doll, 18-inch doll. And I thought this was a bit much for the OG and American Girl dolls, but I thought, well, you know, New Year's Eve, and I bought it. I've never put it on them, but Barbie is a fancy girl who diets and exercises and likes to show off her figure. So once I take the sewing machine to this and do some adjustments, that's going to be pretty cute. A couple weeks ago, I was at a garage sale, and they had this beautiful doll in with the Barbies and stuff, and I said, well, how much are your Barbies? And they said, oh, $1 a piece. And I thought, well, I'll take this big doll. I don't know what it is, probably Pocahontas, but I liked it. Come to find out, this is Barbie. She's newer than this one. This is like an original. But isn't she beautiful? And she came with these clothes And these big Barbies, these 18-inch Barbies, were made so that their necklaces could be bracelets for the little girl to wear. And then they came with a little ring that was also a bracelet for the doll. This one has pierced ears, but she only has like half of one ear left. So that's going to be a Barbie hack as soon as I figure something out to make. When we first left, we always go to garage sales in the area first, and then we go to another town and go to the garage sales there. The antique mall's kind of on the way home if we decide to go there. This week was not a good Barbie doll week. I like to find those fairy plate with Barbie dolls with the knotted hair and bring them home and clean them up and get the ink marks off. And they're usually without clothes. So on the way down the driveway to leave, we had forgotten to get the mail the day before. Our mailbox is a block and a half away if you measured it by city blocks. But anyway, I had ordered these shoes on eBay, and they were like, I don't know, a couple bucks for all these pairs. Now, I had read where some of them just didn't fit the Barbies. I tried these on my Barbies, and the red shoes were the only ones that were a little small, but I'm thinking these will fit the original Barbies. They've changed Barbie so much, and who they call Barbie just isn't. But anyway, these worked out really well, and I love the little Cinderella ones. The only thing we found at garage sales this week was the little, I believe it's a Kelly doll. It's a little Mattel doll. It's really in good condition. I paid like $1 for her. Actually, I think I got her thrown in with some other things I was buying. But I love this because she moves this way and that way. Just a cute little doll. Then we had to go to Walmart for a couple things, and they've been having Barbies on clearance. So we not only went to the Walmart in our own hometown, we went to 3 Walmarts in the next town, which is a bigger town over. And I got some fantastic buys, and if you know Darren, I'm looking at him, and anything on clearance, he's like, how about this one? How about this one? This is the cutest little Skipper. Now, I bought a Skipper last week that didn't even look like Skipper. I'm not real pleased with it, but I got it anyway. But these were like $3 and $4 at our Walmart, and I wasn't going to get them all, but well, Darren kept putting them in the cart, and I'm good with that. This one, I have another one like it, and I was thinking about opening the box. We'll see. They had these little Barbie outfits marked down to 75 cents, which I thought was a steal. I have a little granddaughter that is going to love getting these in the mail. You know how fun that is for a kid to get mail, and then if it's something to play with, my goodness, they love that. But here's another one. I think these were $4, and this one was $3, and I got my own Barbie, a sexy skirt. That's kind of stuff I like. And then they're kind of aggravated with Walmart. They're not marking their stuff down like they used to, but they had the little jellies for $3. I was hoping they were less. This was the last pair they had in this color. These fit my my size Barbies and my Disney princesses that are 36 to 38 inches tall. Do you ever come across a doll on eBay and you're like, oh, I'd love to have that doll, but it's more than I want to pay, and then you add the $10, $12 shipping, and you're like, nah. Well, I was kind of like that with this doll. Darren took me to the Nutcracker play last year, and oh, it was so fantastic. But anyway, I saw this beautiful Barbie, and they also have the ballerina that now I want even more. But these are $25 and up on eBay, and then they want $10 or $12 shipping. $7 on clearance, and I should have bought more than one. I know, I should have. But this, what a find. This will be out at Christmas time at our house for decor. And speaking of on clearance. We're going down the clearance item, and I have a couple of these dolls just because their hair was messed up and they were a mess, and I don't know, that's kind of what I really like, is fixing the dolls up. And so I glanced at these, and Darren's like, oh, you should get that little Belle. So we got it, and then we went over to a toy department and they had Ariel, and oh, we did not get her. And I said, well, I'm kind of looking at the Barbies. So we go over toys, and they had this one, and he puts it in the cart, and he's so cute, he starts heading back to go get this one. And I'm like, where are you going? He said, to the clearance item. You're gonna need that Belle too if you get the Ariel. So while we were there, another reviewer just did a review. Isn't that the cutest little tiny doll from Aladdin? Now they only had her, but Darren said, oh, you should get that. That's really cute. Isn't that cute? So I bought all these dolls, and my husband's generosity just boiled over on the dolls in Walmart and stuff. And he's like, well, I didn't want you to go home without dolls. Anyway, this is one of my Barbies from before. I bought her. Oh, her hair was one big knot. You know how they can get, you see them at garage sales. So now she smells so nice because she's had the fabric softener dip. In our mailbox was this lot that I got on eBay that I thought we'd look at together. And I'm cheap, so I probably didn't pay much, and I don't know how the dresses are going to fit. But I'll tell you a little secret. I have the Christmas elves, like Elf on a Shelf, and I have some others in different sizes. And a couple years ago, I did Mischief poems and shots. They can wear Barbie clothes. So if these don't fit Barbie and I don't want to mess with sewing them, I bet my elves will, oh, that's different, kind of Barbie-ish. But look at this. Talk about Halloween-y. Oh, isn't that cute? Let's try this one on. I think I got this lot for like $2-3. It was 5 dresses and, I don't know, 10 pairs of shoes, I think. Not expensive. And I thought, well, if it doesn't fit, I can do a little sewing job or pinning job or whatever. Oh, that's not bad. It's kind of sticking up there, but it's not horrible. Oh, wait, it came undone. Okay, the Velcro. There we go. There you go. That is not a bad fit. And what I was thinking with the black is I'm going to add some orange, maybe some purple for Halloween. Let's try shoes on her. So not a bad lot. I can't say that this one is my favorite, but these others are really cute, and Easter, and they're very Barbie. Let's see what kind of shoes we got here. Can you get a close-up of these shoes? What is there, 10 pairs or so? Oh, I wish there was a black pair, but that's okay. I got a black pair and another. Let's try these silver shoes on her. See how that goes. Now, in a review, somebody said they broke right away, and I'm thinking, well, gosh, other people were saying how wonderful they are. I think they're cute. I think they're real cute, and for the price, you know, cute enough. Let's try another pair. Oh, look at that. Ballet slippers. And what was I just saying? I want that ballet. Oh, that's cute. You can find these for the, oh, look at that. And she looks like she's toe dancing. Oh, how cute. Thank you for watching our video. We'd sure appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. Have a good day, and please come back. We're planning some other videos.